You know, I never realized till now, my whole family on my mom's side did something artistic, well, like for their job. I guess the mom did it the longest for money. I guess I kind of cleaned this out already. I'm gonna do this stuff. Is he really mad at me? Hey, I'm busy. You're not supposed to interrupt me now. Didn't you just saw us thinking that? Was that him? See, he just said something. I'm not listening. But that was a good thing he said. It looks pretty good as far as I can do goes.